Round one of the Masterbuilt Gravity 1150 versus the Weber Searwood was unexplainable. We don't know who won.
Yeah, it's very odd. It's a sausage, we could tell.
Spatchcock chicken, not quite sure. Man, I'd call this even. I'm very shocked.
Me too.
Round two is today. We're doing basket wings, our old favorite.
My favorite for sure.
I would imagine the charcoal flavor is gonna hit those wings in the basket as they're rotating and make them extra special, but
it has to.
We're gonna find out tonight. Let's go get it.
Let's do it.
Basement.
All right, here we are again with the Weber Searwood and the Masterbuilt Gravity 1150. 50-50 last week. We gotta have a clear winner tonight, don't
And
you
this
think?
is chicken again, so will the wing take on more than a spatchcock full chicken?
Yeah, I mean, it shouldn't. So the spatchcock's supposed to take on mad smoke, but we didn't see much difference. So let's get this guy started. I have been having some issues getting the Masterbuilt started. Now, the first time, it's because I forgot to take out those, what are they called? Those plates that block heat.
Airflow plate.
That was my fault. However, last night, I tried to start this thing to do a pork tenderloin. I definitely pulled them out. It took me like an hour to get this thing lit. I don't know if there was too much ash, but I shouldn't have to like empty this thing, which by the way, there's no way to get stuff out.
Like a normal charcoal grill. You gotta take everything apart.
I am not gonna do that, so that is a disadvantage right there. We're gonna stick another piece of
Post oak
right in the middle. So because of my experience getting this thing lit, I filled it with charcoal first. This time I'm gonna leave it light on charcoal. Let's get it going, and then we'll add more charcoal as needed.
So what's this concrete looking substance?
That is
it's
charcoal
like
ash.
Popcorn.
Yeah, nice. You wanna eat it?
Not yet.
So I've decided to stop using the paraffin wax. I have to wait for it to completely burn before I put meat in there because you can smell it. These are odorless, no chemicals.
So what the hell is it?
I don't remember. All right, so I'm gonna put 2 in there. I'm gonna push them back as far as I can, light one, and let it light the other.
The plate, top plate's in.
Oh my God. See, I almost did it again. Thank you, Donnie. All right, while that's going, you can do the honors on the Searwood.
Yes, easy breezy like always.
You do have to push a button though. And we'll crank it to our cooking temp on the basket wings when we're ready, which is gonna be 400.
So do we need to install a rotisserie kit here? Or?
Yeah, we have the rotisserie kit.
It'll be easy, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Masterbuilt, I don't know, but.
Yeah.
All right, Masterbuilt rotisserie kit, unboxing. Interesting, huge box of styrofoam in the middle, manila envelope. There's the, why is it not longer?
Look at that.
All right, so we did get the rotisserie in there pretty easily, right? That was pretty easy, but we're having problems getting this thing lit again. It was smoking for a while. It went out, but it just dies.
So we might have to clean it, which we're not gonna do. We're gonna light it up.
I mean, how would you even clean it? You have to reach in there.
You gotta get everything, and that's charcoal.
I ain't into that. We're just gonna try to light it up here with this torch.
Everyone loves a good torch.
Like, see right now already the smoke's dying.
I'm telling you, I think it's old charcoal sitting down at the bottom of the box. I have the same issue in the Kamado Joe. If I have really old charcoal on the bottom.
I'm gonna light it in here, man. I'm done with this.
Just light that post oak off.
This is a pain in the
Like, I normally let it sit for like a minute or 2.
I can't hold my hand in there too
Let's
much
go under
longer.
again.
We must be doing something wrong.
I think it's cleaning. Get everything out of there with like a cup.
I ain't into that. For crying out loud, dude. Searwood. Just hit the start button.
Let's hit the fan, see what happens.
All right, do it. Come on now. Nope, it's dead. I'm sticking it all the way up in there, man.
Can we like tap it and get all the ash down? See how you're touching and all the ash is falling? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Is this even the official way?
I don't know.
This don't make no sense. That's gotta be it, because I can see actual charcoal. Dude, what is happening right now?
So if we take this out, everything's gonna fall?
I mean, all the charcoal is on top of that thing.
Yeah, so a little bit's lit.
All right, we finally got it lit. It took like 3 minutes straight of holding a torch under there. So obviously there was a lot of ash. Look at all that mess on the deck. So again, drawbacks to using charcoal.
Yes.
You can't beat the set and forget of a pellet grill, but
Is it worth it? Is the taste worth it? That's what we're gonna find out.
that is the question. It's about the flavor, right? All right, let's go get those wings ready because that thing's been ready now for 30 minutes. Let's go do it. Here we are, we have our Costco pack of wings. They're pre-cut. For those of you who've been with us from the beginning, you've seen us do this many times. We have a lot of new subscribers, Bob.
All right, welcome, welcome.
Some of them may not know about the smoke fried basket wings. They're gonna learn tonight how to do it.
Their money.
Amazing. So usually we do 2 baskets on the Weber Searwood. We put flats and drums in each basket, separate them because the drums tend to take longer, but we're gonna do 1 basket each in the Searwood and the Masterbuilt. The Masterbuilt doesn't have enough width to handle 2 baskets anyway.
So Searwood keeps shining somehow, some
I know.
way. So what I do at my house, 1 basket, I roll drums first, let people start eating, then I put my flats on.
And we prefer flats. Then use a high smoke point oil such as vegetable oil or avocado oil. You could use olive oil, but it's gonna burn quicker.
Why isn't it coming right out, Donnie? I got room. There we go.
It's a bit of a pain, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Flat, drum, drum. Keep up now.
Last drum.
All right, nice, flats. All right, now we mount.
Yeah.
And we're going opposite directions now. Explain to the people why we don't season these before we put them in.
Because they stick all over the basket, pain to clean. It all gets on the basket, gets off the wing. So we're gonna do it afterwards.
Yeah, so you get them nice and
Did it
crispy.
Change directions?
Oh, it changed directions on its own?
Maybe it's checking it out.
Like a washing machine?
Like this. Well, it went like it went like this, like this, like this, like this.
Well, that's interesting and stupid all at once.
But is that a setting?
No, that doesn't look right. All right, we've been messing around with this thing for a little while now, trying to get it going. We did some Googling. Apparently the motor is super weak, so that's a big fail for the Masterbuilt. It's finally going around, but we've still seen it oscillate from time to time. We're just gonna let it go, and if it oscillates and those wings get burnt on one side, don't know. Searwood's been going okay. We did stop it so that they didn't get cooked before this one. So let's shut this. We're gonna go 400, right?
400. Come on, Masterbuilt, do your thing now.
We're not gonna come in and look at this thing all night because we'd have to keep the lid open.
Yeah, we can't.
So if you're gonna buy the Masterbuilt because you want that charcoal flavor and everything, do not buy the Masterbuilt Rotisserie piece of garbage kit. Go buy an aftermarket, please.
Yeah,
do
better
yourself
motor,
a favor.
better motor, heavier
Because
weight.
we are super frustrated and we don't want that to happen to you. All right, so we'll check on these things in about 45 minutes. We'll see you then. The Masterbuilt's up to temp. I want to try something extra here. I've got pre-formed burger patties from Harris Teeter.
Those are always good.
These are onion and cheddar. I want to taste the charcoal flavor and I need to feed my kids. It's school night, it's getting late.
All right.
And see if we can get some charcoal flavor on those. Normally I wouldn't go pre-formed, but these are
They're always good.
really,
yeah.
really good. And we're gonna taste test those too before those wings are ready. Now I am going to probe them so we don't have to keep checking on them. I'm gonna use the TempSpike. So I'm gonna spike this one right here. See if what the grill says the temperature is, if that's the same as what's resonating around the actual meat. We'll know when those burgers are ready, when that hits temp, and we're gonna taste test that and see if we can get some charcoal flavor on those guys.
Nice.
Quick update here. Number 1, we gotta flip those burgers. Thank you. They look amazing.
So flip it with this thing on there?
Yeah, you can flip it with that.
Nice
on there.
ThermoPro. Oh, nice grill marks.
So those look really good. That's a bonus. Hopefully we get charcoal flavor burgers. What's not so good is this thing is oscillating big time. We did some more Googling and apparently we need to like sand down the arm and all kinds of junk, which I'm not gonna do.
So they're sanding down the insert to this that goes into the motor, and then they're making it also shorter, like by like grinding it down by like this much.
That's too much work for something that's supposed to work out of the box.
It should work out of the box.
So unfortunately, we know before the end of this who's gonna win this competition. I guess the one caveat would be maybe those ones in the bottom
Yeah.
are gonna be super awesome.
Like, I've never had a wing like this.
These 4 wings win. The other 18, not so much. We better close it,
Yeah,
because
just kicking up. They had to put a little more money into that motor.
Weber
and make it
Searwood's
fit.
just over there with a smirk on its face,
Yeah, I know.
like, and you doubt me every time.
Yeah, she's happy.
So, but we'll see about the flavor. Let's take a look. Turning nicely. We got a ways to go.
And you roll 2 baskets on this thing. That's
2
the other tricky
baskets,
thing.
and it's like nothing.
We know when they're done when they're caramel brown, and you can actually hear the edges of the wings touching the basket. It feels like kind of like scraping.
Scraping, yeah.
Like,
So I used to doubt him, like, aren't we overcooking these? He's like, you can't overcook wings.
yes, smoke flavor.
Unless you have a fryer at home, can't beat this.
And as a doctor, I will say, do not use a fryer, use this.
Correct. Thinking this burger's got, whoa!
You got a little flare up, y'all. Little
We
flare
got a
up,
flare
y'all.
up.
You want to stick it on the Searwood?
I mean, we could.
We don't want to burn the kids' burgers.
I think they're almost done.
So when I've cooked these fatties, I cut in the middle and it's red.
Is that right?
But
Oh no, this is at 170.
yeah, we're done. Did I tell
Woo!
you? Yeah, it's hot.
Cheese on top of cheese. Yeah, you're right. These do thicken up, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Just let that melt.
This is how Burger King cooks them, man.
Yeah, it looks good.
Home of the Whopper. You know what I've been buying is the white American cheese.
I'll never give up my yellow American cheese, but if you had to
Kraft
choose one,
singles.
what would you choose?
The white.
Are you kidding
Yeah,
me?
the white's awesome.
That's sacrilege.
No.
How dare you?
Red, white, and blue. Not red, yellow, blue, son.
I think these are going to be really good.
No, those are bomb. We're just watching her fail on the wings. It's
Correct.
so sad, but we had to let her go how she goes.
It is sad. All right, let's go try these. I can smell the charcoal flavor on these. Whew.
Yeah, I smell it.
So burger and bun to start with. It's got to be good like that,
Yeah,
right?
perfect test. Good cut.
Go ahead, grab a corner. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
That is perfect.
Cheers, look at that.
Yeah, that's.
Wow, that is amazing.
Cannot get that out the Searwood.
Holy crap. Now, is that the burger with the cheddar in it? Or is it the charcoal or what?
It's both, because these burgers are amazing anyway.
Oh my God.
But the charcoal flavor's there.
Wow.
So these are better than all the Blackstone.
These might be the best burgers I've ever had.
Charcoal flavor. We even got flame kiss somehow because of a flare up, but who doesn't want flame kiss? Roll wings in the Searwood and put your burgers on the Masterbuilt.
I don't think I can live without this.
So
Holy
let
crap.
your rotisserie basket oscillate and eat these beautiful burgers.
Correct. All right, the wings are ready. They're golden brown everywhere. We got to pull them now. The Masterbuilt ones aren't ready yet, probably because they didn't turn much.
So she started rotating with a little assistance.
With a little help.
Seltzer can, but
right.
Let's see.
But then it stops and then we have to help it again, but don't know. Charcoal flavor might trump everything. Can I do this cleanly?
They're nice and crispy.
We need to go season right now.
All right, let's do it.
Right?
Quick. Texas Pete Dust. It took a week and a half from Walmart to get to my house. Thank God she's here.
I'm looking forward to this after seeing
go slightly
the
heavy.
episode you guys did with the Texas Pete Dust. They looked so good.
And we went heavy seasoning.
Ooh boy. All right, now hopefully those are gonna be done soon so
should
that we
be.
can test both of them pretty hot. Oh, now it wants to turn.
Of course she does.
This one's not easy to get out, so I'm just gonna do it by hand.
I hear crispy though.
Yeah. Let's go do this.
All right. Masterbuilt Gravities. They're ready. They did not spin them the whole time, but they smell good.
So one thing I want to
crispy.
point out before you put the seasoning on is notice that they look more like grilled wings, right? Because you can see where some of the skin has been browned or blackened up, whereas these just turned golden. I mean, I guess that's
Good
to be
point.
expected. Charcoal
Is
versus
it?
whatever.
No, I think because it didn't rotate.
It'd be nice if it
If
rotated.
it rotated, it would be like this.
but maybe.
But let's see what happens.
I'm not convinced, but you know.
I mean, I'm salivating. We got crispiness. Put a little more.
Who's administering first?
I'm giving you first.
Okay, are you gonna give me flats or drums? Last time I said flats, you gave me drums.
Yeah, I know. I was joking, but I'm not going to
That
tell
wasn't
you.
a joke because you really gave me drums.
I'm not going to tell you. Okay, this side. I heard a crunch.
That's seasoning. Very good.
Yeah, Texas Pete Dust.
Very good flavor.
So you taste the charcoal or no?
No,
Okay, that's weird. That's very weird.
no charcoal flavor there,
Okay,
but excellent wing.
all right.
A little bit of smokiness though.
What are you tasting?
Charcoal, obviously Masterbuilt.
So the Searwood's doing it, guys.
Yeah, right. Good flavor, not as crispy.
But how's the flavor?
I love the charcoal flavor. The first ones were crispier and a little juicier on the inside.
So if you're going to pay for these wings, which one would you pay for?
Number one.
So Searwood. Man, this goddamn Searwood won't stop.
Okay, don't look at this.
Good crisp. Damn. Very good crisp.
All right, hand it to me without looking. Turn.
I'm thinking it's Searwood. Crispiness, juiciness, not charcoal. Good heat from the Texas Pete Dust.
Okay, don't look at the wing.
Oh, what the This is Searwood.
How can you tell?
The crispiness. Man.
And
This one.
that's the Searwood.
Damn.
Searwood wins.
Yeah. I'm shocked.
They're both really good, but the Searwood are better. How is that possible?
I thought this was crispy when I had that in my mouth.
Then you realize this was more crispy.
Yeah.
It has to, I think the fail is with the crappy
It's the basket.
rotisserie.
Yeah, the
honestly.
rotisserie, not the basket.
So I don't want to fault the Masterbuilt, like the guts of it, the charcoal and everything. I can taste a little bit of charcoal there, but
This
not
is so much better.
I can't taste a lot of charcoal, but this is definitely better.
So why is our chicken not taking on charcoal flavor on the Masterbuilt?
I don't know. I think next time we
This
got to
is
do.
the second time.
All right, I've got a treat for you. Our local pub, the
Yes.
best ranch in the world. I'm not even joking about that. Yeah, let's toss. Spicy barbecue for you. Traditional
wow.
buffalo.
Beautiful.
This is what it's all about.
I don't know how
Searwood,
the Searwood keeps winning.
Searwood keeps shining, right?
It's insane. Or did you lie to me?
No, I didn't.
Oh yeah.
And how do you make traditional buffalo again? I know we've said this a million times, but we have a bunch of new followers who may not know.
It is your normal red hot, add butter, warm it up on the stove on low.
Red hot and butter, traditional buffalo sauce. Amazing.
So red hot buffalo is fake butter on the shelf, not refrigerated. It's better to put butter in the normal red hot.
Correct.
Cheers, sir.
Amazing. This is called heaven.
It puts me in a sports bar, NFL Sunday.
Correct.
Finally.
Perfect food, football coming up.
Yeah, football season's here. College starts this week.
I know a lot of people do the 0 to 400 wings, grilled wings on the grate. I'm telling you, basket wings on the rotisserie, 10 times better.
Smoked fried is better.
We've tried it.
These are crispier. Clean pull off there.
My heaven, I'm gonna be in a cloud with an endless array of these wings in front of me.
From a Masterbuilt or a Searwood or what?
The Searwood, based on this, for eternity, as far as you can see. What can I say, guys? Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time. Damn, I can't believe the Searwood won.